Hi, this is Chris, and I'm going to show you how to mount the awareness bell using a Velcro dot. I've been supplying that for a while, and what it does is hold the bell in place without having to get it too tight. So, kind of size it up where you want it on your bar. I'm going to put it right here. Take off the little dot here. Put it on the bottom side, the handlebar. And then take your bell and put that right there. Wrap it around like that. Cinch it down pretty snug, but not, you don't have to make it too tight. And that's it.